I got it.
You got that?
Yeah.
What? I didn't see.
It did like a backflip.
It did a backflip. Without crashing.
Here, we'll have contests up the hole. Come on. No, you gotta line it up, Isaiah. Like this. Come on, get out of there. Oh. You just had me not watching my truck. Keep filming.
I am.
I need to get all the
Careful, Isaiah.
Yeah, but I still did. Yeah, but he didn't do a trick. Do it. Have another kind. See who wants this one. This round.
Reverse isn't working.
Good job.
That was good.
Nice.
Oh, I landed it.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Ah, stay there.
Dad, you might want to watch out.
Did you get that wheelie on film?
I don't know.
Wow!
Oh, what? Did that do a backflip?
Good, eh? Getting good, Isaiah. I'm impressed.
Roll.
Go, Isaiah.
Oh!
Did you get that on film? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, stand out back. That's why we need to stand back. Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, I got a drink on me.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay, Sam? I know. You got hit by that.
Oh yeah, I gotta fix my steering servo. Oh well. Whoa! Go check and see if
It
it's
just did a
broke.
cartwheel.
Is it broken?
Watch out!
Oh. Why would you do it?
Stop the video.
No. Is it okay?
You just that was only on film. I missed you.
You can see the you can tell that I got hit because I'm the camera person. She's like, woo.
You got hit.
Yeah, I went, whoa.
Hey?
It's the best in the world. I want to turn my... Go!
Watch out, Paige. You gotta stand over here.
Oh, I don't even know where I am. Don't it? What the heck? You keep hitting me. I don't. Well, you gotta steer away from me because I can't film and be out of the way at the same time. Here, wait. No one move their cars. Don't move my cars.
Go. Isaiah, look out.
Look out. Don't hit me. Oh. Is it broken?
Oh, you busted the shock off.
Yeah, you broke it.
No, it didn't break.
Please tell me you can fix that by hand.
Yeah, go.
You keep crashing it.
Landed.
So bright out. What?
How to make that?
Know how to make what?
Never mind.
Okay.